Bharat Mata ki Jaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Jaya Shri Ram, Jaya Sitaram Jayam, all gods ki Jaya, Nari Shakti ki Jaya, and respect to every specific gender and divine energy that empowers humanity. Hello and good day. God bless you ladies and gentlemen. I am Sarath C, and I welcome you all to the Sarath C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Today we are going to discuss a very special and deeply advanced long digital online seminar class documentary. The topic is SSC and RRB online classes, what is general science, and what is atom. This is a feedback-based investigation report, structured like an advanced international seminar, connecting digital online education with the global standards of aviation and aerospace training systems. Let us begin by asking a simple but profound question. What is general science in SSC and RRB exams, and why is it important? General science in these examinations is not a university-level specialization but a foundation-level integration of physics, chemistry, and biology, designed to test the awareness and practical application of science in everyday life. Aspirants preparing for railway jobs under RRB, or central government posts under SSC, need to understand general science because it reflects their ability to apply logic, scientific reasoning, and awareness of natural phenomena in practical tasks. Whether you are preparing for Group D, NTPC, JA, ALP, SSC CGL, CHSL, or other exams, general science forms the backbone of the awareness section. In the digital age, online classes have transformed the way general science is taught. Traditional classrooms depended on chalkboards and static lectures, but now we see animated 3D models, live classes, recorded sessions, AI-powered feedback systems, and simulation-based teaching. For example, when studying the circulation of blood, earlier we only had diagrams on a board. Now online platforms provide animated demonstrations where you can see red blood cells moving, oxygen exchange taking place, and heart valves functioning in real time. This interactivity makes learning science not only easier but also more enjoyable and memorable. Now let us narrow down to the atom, the most fundamental building block of matter, and also one of the most frequently asked concepts in general science for SSC and RRB exams. The atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains its chemical properties. Ancient Indian philosophers like Kannada in Vaisheshika Darshan had already imagined the existence of Anu, or atom thousands of years ago. Modern science later confirmed this through experiments of John Dalton, J.J. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford, and Niels Bohr. In online SSC and RRB classes, the topic of atom is explained in detail with diagrams and models. Students learn about the structure of an atom, protons, neutrons, and electrons. They study how electrons revolve around the nucleus in specific orbits, how different models of the atom evolved, and how atomic number defines the identity of an element. The Bohr model of hydrogen atom or the discovery of nucleus by Rutherford's gold foil experiment are often explained through digital simulations. Instead of just reading about alpha particle scattering, online learners can actually watch animated trajectories of alpha particles bouncing back when they hit the nucleus. This digital visualization is exactly like how aviation cadets use simulators to visualize aircraft flight paths and turbulence in a controlled environment. When aspirants study general science in online classes, they are not only preparing for exams, but also engaging in a mental discipline similar to aviation training. In aviation, a pilot must understand the science of aerodynamics, lift, drag, thrust, pressure, and weather conditions. In online SSC and RRB classes, a student must understand the laws of motion, atomic structure, thermodynamics, and biology of the human body. Both require clarity, precision, and application of concepts in real-life situations. Through feedback investigation reports, it has been observed that online teaching of science, particularly the atom, has several advantages. Students appreciate the flexibility to repeat lectures, the accessibility from rural or urban areas, and the affordability compared to big coaching centers. They say that animated explanations of the atom and interactive periodic table modules reduce fear and make science friendly. However, challenges remain. Some students complain that too much dependence on recorded content reduces human interaction, mentorship, and motivation. Our investigations conclude that the best model is a hybrid system where recorded classes provide revision and live sessions provide guidance, similar to how a pilot uses both simulator hours and live instructor sessions. The international comparison with aviation and aerospace training is very significant. In aerospace academies, trainees use digital simulation labs to learn how aircraft engines work, how jet propulsion functions at the atomic and molecular level, and how fuel combustion releases energy. This is pure applied atomic science. The atom, in the aviation world, is not just theory, it is reality in the form of fuel molecules burning to release thrust. By teaching the atom through digital simulations and feedback loops, SSC and RRB online classes are moving towards the same internationally benchmarked methods. General science, and within it the study of atoms, also connects deeply with India's scientific heritage. The contribution of Indian scientists like C.V. Raman effect, Homi J. Bhabha, nuclear physics, Vikram Sarabhai, space research, and Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, missile and aerospace, prove how the atom is not just an exam topic but a foundation of modern India's scientific progress. When SSC and RRB aspirants study the atom online, they are indirectly preparing themselves to understand India's journey from basic science to aerospace leadership. Psychologically, digital science learning gives aspirants confidence. In traditional schools, many students carried a fear of physics and chemistry. But online animated explanations of atoms, molecules, and chemical reactions reduce this fear. The use of gamification, such as quizzes, leaderboards, and digital rewards, activates dopamine responses in the brain, increasing motivation. This is similar to how aviation cadets feel motivated when they clear simulator levels. Science becomes not a burden, but a challenge and a joy. Looking into the future of SSC and RRB online science education, we can expect more VR and AR-based atom models. Imagine wearing a VR headset and walking inside a 3D model of an atom, seeing protons, neutrons, and electrons around you. Imagine zooming into the nucleus and watching the forces that bind nucleons together. These futuristic experiences will make exam preparation immersive, unforgettable, and world-class. This is the real meaning of bringing international level standards of aviation and aerospace education into SSC and RRB online classes. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, today's advanced seminar documentary explained the real story of SSC and RRB online classes with focus on general science and the atom. We saw how digital classes revolutionize learning, how aviation and aerospace comparisons reveal international standards, how feedback investigations highlight strengths and weaknesses, and how the atom is both an exam concept and a key to modern technology. The story of the atom is the story of matter, the story of science, and the story of human progress. SSC and RRB aspirants learning it online are part of this global journey. So, thank you for watching and listening to this advanced international level seminar documentary. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Sarath Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. More feedback reports, advanced seminar documentaries, and world viral entertainment education specials are coming soon. Also, kindly support my other channels, Sarath Psychology, Sarath Biochemist Reviews, and Bharatiya LearnWise Education Foundation's Knowledge channel. Together, let us continue this journey of knowledge, education, and inspiration. Bharat Mata Ki Jaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Jaya Shri Ram, Jaya Sitaram Jayam, Nari Shakti Ki Jaya. Thank you.